In the summer, after harvesting your early or mid-season potatoes, it's the right time to sow your winter radishes. You have a choice of several winter radish varieties, including the Chinese winter rose radish, the Gournay purple radish, and the most well-known, the large, long, black winter radish. Now, let's prepare our ground. In this spot, there were potatoes. The first thing to do is to remove the main weeds. For that, you will eliminate the few seedlings growing behind your potatoes, and after, we will aerate our soil. For this, use an aerator, for instance, which will allow you to lift the soil without turning it over. It's important to loosen the soil deeply because the various radishes have long roots. After aerating the soil, we will soften the surface. For that, we will use a rake. Once we have properly worked the surface of our soil, we can draw our furrow. Then thoroughly water the bottom of the furrow, which should be between 2 and 3 centimeters deep. The depth of the furrow is important because it allows the roots to penetrate, unlike an 18-day radish which is sown just on the surface. Sowing thinly is very important to get larger roots. Once you have sown your radish seeds, cover them with dry soil using your feet, and it's important to never moisten it. Once you have sown, the radishes can find moisture below, which will prevent the roots from growing above. And to get beautiful winter radish roots, it is important to thin them out. Space them 5 to 10 centimeters apart between roots and 25 centimeters between rows. So make sure to do it during a wet period. It's important to water beforehand to properly obtain the roots and especially to avoid damaging the remaining roots. And here is what you get 2 months later. This is a Gournay purple radish, a lovely elongated root that you can enjoy with butter and perhaps a little bit of salt.